Hey everybody, this is Eric Clark's Travel Videos, and I'm here in Barcelona, Spain, and I'm at the Chariot of Aurora, and it's inside the park over by the Triumphant Arch, and it's pretty amazing. It's gold gilded and everything else, and it's pretty incredible. Let's go take a look at it together. And again, this is the Chariot of Aurora. Can you see it right there? Certainly amazing. Let me see if I can get my zoom to go a little bit. There we go. Nice. So you can kind of see it from this side. But she's all in gold. Everything else around it is pretty gold. So let me cross this little park, and it's a huge park. I mean, like enormous big. But we're going to see the Chariot of Aurora. Does that give you a better view of it right there? Wow. Yeah, it's pretty amazing, and you can see the whole area is like ancient Greek kind of stuff. Pretty amazing, and that gives you a better view of, or at least with the sun out of your eyes, you can see her a little better. Pretty amazing. Wow. All right, well, let's climb the stairs and see what else we can see. And so it's way up high, but you got to go this way. And you can see how big the park is. And there's the stairs and stuff. How do I get there? Oh, I got to go all the way around this thing. And I'm walking pretty fast, so let's hope it won't take too long. But this is the park. The park's name is, let's see, Parc de la Ciutadella? Parc de la Ciutadella? I think that's right. And here, I'll even let you see what I see. Parc de la Ciutadella. Yeah, Eric, you're right. And they had it looks like they're doing construction on the fountain over here. Huh. But I just thought the statue up on top was pretty amazing. Wow. Everybody's taking pictures, so certainly amazing, huh? Look at that. That's incredible. Wow. Very cool.
¿Quieres que te haga una foto así? Te la hago, sin compromiso. Porque de Colombia, ¿sí o no?
Let me see if I can get to the other side, because again, the sun's on this side. And you can see how beautiful it'd be if the fountain was there. But aquarium. Huh. And I did notice something else too. Somebody's purse is up here. Huh. I don't know. Not my purse. Let me see if I can turn around and show you a little bit better here. Wow. Let's go a little further away. You can see how big the park is. It's huge. Oh, that's a much better picture there. Wow. Pretty impressive. And Neptune's in the corner, and the horses, the chariots. Pretty amazing. Let me see if I can zoom in just a titch for you. This camera only has a titch, so. And again, this is the Chariot of Aurora. Wow. Very cool. All right, that's it for me, everybody. Thanks for coming along. Bye-bye.